Hey y'all, how are y'all doing today? What I wanted to show y'all is what I'm doing today is cleaning out my garden. And this year I may try to do, I might do beans or some squash. Hey CJ! He is supposed to be keeping the squirrels away. Let's go over here. And this is my greens that I have growing. Hello. Hey CJ. Hey buddy. CJ is my squirrel hunter, catcher. And over here, I've got a blueberry in this flower bed. I put marigolds in the bottom of it, and hopefully those will come back up this year. This spot right here, I used to do my gardening here, and I did tomatoes and peppers and different things like that. And that's my wheelbarrow. I've been working. Hey, you follow me around? Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. That is my plum that I have planted. And I think I'm going to plant something with those flowers along there. I haven't decided what yet. And up here is, I've been cleaning. I've moved all of that wood to the side of the chicken coop that I have. I've talked to y'all before about the wall. I have this here to keep my dirt from washing away, and I've got these stumps that I need to get an axe a hold of those and burn those. But all of this ground right here was just covered. You see where I left some of the leaves right there? You can see all of the leaves, and you wouldn't want to get up here during the summer and like try to rake leaves. You'll get on a snake real quick. I wanted to get all of that cleaned up before springtime gets here. But that is pretty much what I've been doing today. And I wanted to share that with y'all. Come on. Come on, CJ. Yeah. You better go find you a squirrel. I will talk to y'all later, and y'all have a great day. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and let me know what y'all are doing in y'all's yards.